Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to filter properties by year built in Propwire. So to do that, you have to visit the Propwire website and log into your account using your email and password. Then from the dashboard, click the search properties, then type in the city, the county or zip code where you want to search for properties. Then after that, you have to open the left or the top filter panel, look for the year built option, then enter the minimum and the maximum year. For example, you can input between 1980 to 2000 to see only properties built within that time frame. Then after that, you have to click apply or search to refresh the result with the selected year range. And after that, you can save your option. So if you plan to use the filter often, you can click save search to quickly access it later. And that's how you can easily filter properties by year built in Propwire. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.